Okay, hello guys, it's raining. So, I'm gonna play a game. So, what game should I play? FNF. They should play FNF, and you're just gonna watch me play gameplays of FNF. Appear to be assistant decline. No. Erect nightmare. That was my favorite. And this one special. I'm gonna set this to not for kids. Because I'm gonna play as Pico too. I'm gonna play as Pico also. If you're watching this, please do not copy any of what they say. Please do not copy anything of what they say. I quit. So please don't copy anything what they say. Darn, you're hot. One holding it. Can't even handle slow. Can't even handle slowness. I'm gonna try to. This one's blazing. Do not. This is fake, okay? Anything that's happening here is all fake. It's not real, okay? It's just a game. Please do not copy any of their actions. I'm letting people go away. I don't like FNF that much, so I think that's all. Or random gameplays. Yes, this is all of random gameplays. I do have Subway Surfers. Birthday badge can be unlocked in every place. 500 coins, cool. Check this out, complete the bench, play mall. present. Zombies, Jake. Boards. Oh wow, 14 special. Insert. Shop. Hello, Jake. I think I'm going to play as Tagbot. Yeah, I'm gonna play as Tagbot. Tagbot's my favorite. Check for updates. Hunt's over. Aww. Wait. What was that? Oh, I thought you have... I think that's all. Run, Tagbot. Oh wait, I just saw that. I mostly play this after the videos that I post. Yes, I mostly play this after I post the videos. Look at that. Pang! Super. Just to keep them entertainment. Since they quiet. No, the boots are gone. Why did I go there? Hello, boss, and my boss. I'm literally risking my life just to get for lock points. You might not hear me. Passageway. No! Tagbot, why you're not like getting attracted to the magnet, or you're just not able to get attracted? Ow! No. Okay. Now what game next? Jimorty Dash. Unlock new icons and colors. I'm always keeping the videos short, so you have to watch something you could get. I just like this icon, and I'm just also a fan of... I don't know why I like practice mode. I can't beat these games. I hate ads. Okay, after Jimorty Dash, Roblox. I'm reviewing all of my games. What the hell is that game? Don't join games. I don't play that. My little sister might simply walk around. Wow. Weird mafioso. Why my sister's playing everything? That's weird. Oh, that was what I was playing, but I didn't know. While I practice, I played that. FF's playing Brookhaven. Sorry. FF's playing Brookhaven. Yay! I don't play Brookhaven much. I never play Brookhaven by myself. But FF plays Brookhaven. Yay! He might be just... I don't customize my character. You might see my character black, but... So this is what I see. I can't see FF. I can't see FF. character am I? don't know. My little sister likes to change my character much, so quick chat. Be my parent. I chat nothing and leaving. Okay, that's all of randomness today, and bye. Peace out.